I actually haven't charged these batteries for a while, so I probably should give them a fresh juiced up.
Oh.
Doing all right though. I'm at 75%.
Damn, they got brown quick.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, I'm gonna spin that one and see if we can't spin them over to where Lakeside cooking. Motherfucky.
Man, I can go for one right now, man. But you got hoagies and shit.
Yeah, that's all they had, man. Freaking Labor Day weekend at the store.
Okay. I got you.
I mean, aside from getting the Walmart brand, I wasn't trying to go down that low. I ain't that po.
Right.
No, I still buy that crap though, but I try not to. Because the bread's always kind of rough. Alright. Get my brew.
Hey man, bring that light back over here. You still drinking that?
Yeah. Well,
Oh man, get your light. Oh shit. That's enough for the whole can.
yeah, that's Burger King right there for you. Staying right with the subject right there. That's a spirit.
Alright. Hey Mike, wanna eat? Huh? Wanna eat? Man, that cooks fucking good.
With that butter? It's not bad, huh?
No, that cooks fucking pretty hot.
Well, the fastest, actually most effective way out here, I think, aside from a grill. Damn mustard.
Right there.
Yeah, some of them when they slice these buns, I think they had some of them. This one had like four of them that were screwed up. But they had the new guy do them.
Pretty good, man.
Yeah. I'm gonna throw a couple more on.
Yeah.
Even if we're out of buns, I'll still eat them. Fun.
You got a pole over here?
Yeah, got two poles right
I
there.
just heard something.
None of mine are in the water. Might have been rejected from the water for now.
Oh, it must have been them.
Well, that dude wading and making splashes always sounds like something dramatic. We just taking a step.
Right.
Oh yeah. You want another one?
Yeah.
I'm gonna throw a couple more on there. There's still one that's cooked if you want that one. Yeah, it's not a bad little cooker there, you know. I've never used it before, so I just bought it for a backup in case I want to do like a small trip but needed to cook like this.
Shit, that'll work.
Oh, this is awesome. I'm out later. All right. Oh, we gotta redo that shit. All right.
Damn, that's hot. Hot as fuck.
All right.
Is that my beer? Thanks, bro. Yeah,